My name is Yashaswini, and because of my grandmother's love for traveling, love, I have traveled a lot as well. And me being a music enthusiast, I have not come across any music genre which I don't like. And recently, to follow the trend, I have been listening to a lot of K pop music, especially BTS. BTS is a boy band, and I am in love with their music. Not only their music is great, but they also inspire me to follow my heart and to do what I love, which in the past 9 years, 12 years, 12 years as a student of St. Xavier's has been science. My love for science is probably one of the reasons as to why I have nicknames like Nerdy, but let's just forget about it. And even you would not call me nerdy if you know me, until you know that I like reading books. Liking books and science does not make you nerdy, does it? I don't know. Okay, let's just continue with my introduction. So, I am the kind of student which teachers admire, and my parents are proud of me. The teachers pen kind of student. I'm very obedient. I have a younger sister, and we are like same poles of magnet. We always tend to repel each other. If I could change one thing about my life, it would be my relationship with my sister. I wish we could be like those sweet sisters in dramas and stuff. Get me right. So, I live in the city, beautiful Chandigarh. It's really beautiful. There's a lot to talk about Chandigarh. The rose garden, the rock garden, a lot of stuff. I love it. And um, if I would describe myself in one word, it would be foodie. I love food. I just love it, especially because of my family. My family, everyone loves to cook, and me, I willingly be their judge when they try new recipes. They need a judge, right? And why go somewhere out when they have a judge at home? I'm willing to give my taste buds to them. And as I told at the beginning, that I love science. And secondly, my grandfather is a great doctor. He's an ENT surgeon, and they have inspired me and have led me to make a choice that I want to be a doctor. And I wish that I can be as great doctor as my dadu is.
Chose today was what will I do if I get 1 lakh rupees? Getting 1 lakh rupees is just like a dream, and 1 lakh rupees is a big amount. So I gave it a thought. And the first option which came in my mind was investing the money. I won't invest the whole amount because investing the whole amount is a bit risky because 1 lakh rupees and the places I'm going to invest like stock markets or maybe mutual funds. So it's a bit risky to invest the whole amount. So I'm going to invest only 25,000 rupees out of it into either stock market or mutual funds. And I'm going to discuss it with my parents, whichever they think, like there are many places. So whichever they suggest, I'm going to suggest it. So I'm going to invest it there. The second option which came in my mind was saving the money. I will save 50,000 out of it and I'm going to make an RD in a bank. So first of all, it is safe. Second, you can earn profits. You can earn interest. And why am I making an RD? It's because the profits I earn from the money I invested, I can add that in the bank as well. So it's, win-win situation in both the cases. Then the third option which came in my mind was donating 25,000 rupees in the hospitals. Because of coronavirus, there are a lot of hospitals in need of donations. Plus, it's not a big amount, but it is my way of showing my gratitude to the doctors who have helped us during coronavirus. They knew it was risky to stay out there. They did not think about their family and they were serving the country. So that's why I'm going to donate 25,000 in the hospital. Thank you.